On this episode of DeWalt Flexvolt Tool Repairs, we're going to show you how to replace the rotator assembly, or armature, on this DCS577 cordless worm drive saw. First, we'll talk a little about the saw, then I'll open it up and show you how to do the replacement. Is your saw experiencing intermittent or decreased power? What about sparks or smoke? That's not supposed to happen. When you're having power problems, check the battery first. Is there a charge on your indicator light? Have you tried another battery? If your battery checks out, it's time to move into diagnostics. There are a few different parts involved in the power supply that could be failing. The power switch may be failing. If it takes several clicks to get it to start, but then operates normally, it could be a bad switch. If your switch seems okay, we'll have to open this up to diagnose the rest of the parts. If you think you're up for the challenge, grab your toolbox and follow me. We'll start by removing the carry handle and housing using T15, T20, and T25 Torx bits, leaving these two in the middle. Here we can see the power switch, control module, and motor field. Flexvolt tools have a module that regulates power between the power switch and motor field. Because it's difficult to tell when these parts have failed, DeWalt sells them all as one piece for replacement. We'll have to remove these to check the rotator assembly or armature. Start by removing the battery cage. Take note of the placement of the control module and the inner spring so that you know how they reassemble in the cage. The field is held on with 3 screws and is magnetized to the rotator. So first I'll remove the screws and then use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. Here we can see the rotator assembly. When these fail, it will usually be visually obvious. Inspect your armature for any black marks, burn marks, or signs of heat damage. To remove it, we'll pull this out. Grab your new armature from mmToolParts.com and reinstall in reverse order. When replacing the battery cage, fit the control module in first and then insert the spring. Make sure your trigger lock button is replaced and that all your wires are secured. And then we can replace the housing. And that's it! You just performed open surgery and saved your saw's life. Now it's time to put in the battery and see if it's working. If there's anything you'd like to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one, so leave a comment for us below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your repair! See you next time.